Want to give your WordPress site a professional look with clean, clickable bullet points? In this tutorial, I'll walk you through adding bullet lists to your pages using Elementor's icon list widget, which by far is the best and most flexible way to do it. By the end, you'll not only know how to insert bullet points, you'll be able to fully customize how they look and behave, so your content pops and guides visitors exactly where you want them to go. Let's jump right in. First off, open your page with Elementor. In the editor's sidebar, type icon list in the search bar. You should see the widget appear right away. Go ahead and drag it over onto your page canvas where you want your bullet list to appear. Think of this widget as a superpowered bullet point tool. Instead of just plain dots, it gives you icons you can change, plus plenty of styling options, so you're not locked into the basics. Now, when you drop the icon list widget onto the canvas, you'll see it comes preloaded with a few dummy list items. You can edit these right away. Just click on any item, and you'll see options to customize the text or even the icon that's used as the bullet. If you prefer simple bullets, here's a tip. Click on the icon for an item, and in the icon library, look for a small dot or circle like fa circle or fa dot. You can even upload your own SVG if you want a unique style. Choosing a clear, subtle icon helps keep your content tidy and easy to scan, just like you see in most professional sites. To expand your list, click Add Item. Each time you do, a new row appears, perfect for building out multi-point instructions, feature highlights, or any info you want to present clearly. Maybe you're listing reasons to choose your service, outlining product features, or summarizing steps in a process. Each item can have its own icon if you want, but sticking with circles gives you that classic bullet list vibe. Here's something people sometimes overlook. In the Content tab, you're not just limited to stacking the list vertically. You can choose the layout. Vertical is the default and works great for classic bullet lists, but switch to inline for horizontal layouts if you're making a row of features or quick links. Plus, you can add links to individual items right here. For example, if you're listing helpful resources, each bullet point could be clickable, leading visitors directly to more info or to a product page. Don't worry if your list doesn't look perfect at first. Elementor gives you lots of styling control, so you can tweak fonts, colors, icon size, and spacing until it matches your site's brand. Remember, the goal is clarity. Use simple icons, clear wording, and tidy spacing to help users absorb your info. That's the basics and a bit beyond. Using the icon list widget in Elementor isn't just about adding bullet points. It lets you create stylish, interactive lists that guide visitors and elevate your content. If you found this tutorial helpful, please tap the like button and do drop a comment below if you have any questions on lists or Elementor in general. I always read and try to reply. And for more detailed web building tips, don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.